How to check recently watched reels on Instagram. So imagine you are here like watching reels and you really like this reel, okay? So you have two options. Imagine you scroll down, you interact a bit with the post, with the feed, with everything, and then you realize, oh fuck, I want to go to the last reel I've seen. So what you can do is go up and go again into that reel. But this has to be very recently, because if I close the app, for example, and now I go to Instagram as well, you can see that we lost this reel. So it has to be very, very recently, this first option. Then we have another option and we have to interact with the reel. So for example, we have to comment the reel, we have to like the reel. So imagine I like this reel, okay? Then I can watch another reels, then I can refresh as well the reels page, okay? Because there is a great option, okay, now that we have refreshed the reels. If we go to our profile, we also can close the app, so that's the best way. If we go to our profile, we go here, top right, okay, we go to your activity, then we can go here to likes, and here we will find the reel we have just like or comment, okay? We can go here to newest to oldest or oldest to newest, so it really can be 3 months ago reel or 2 months ago reel, and we can search the reel here. So it's just very good to know that, because if we want to watch a recently reel, we can have these two options. So I hope that it helps. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and we will see you at the next one.